I'm going to be using the Monport 65 Pro CO₂ laser machine. I selected this machine because I need to do a very deep engraving in this beach block, and a 65 watt CO₂ laser machine is going to make quick work of that. Engraving's complete, and let's check this out. Oh, I like what I see. I've got clean engraving all around all the lettering, and just check out all the detail on this graphic. I'm going to give it a nice liberal coating of some LA's Totally Awesome. It's really going to just melt away all of the smoke residue. I'm going to give it a quick rinse with some warm water after that, and then towel dry it and give it a few minutes to really dry out the rest of the way. Whoa, check this out. It's a night and day difference. Next up, it's time to ink the block up and start making some custom crafted towels. We'll reapply some more ink. There we go. That is basically perfect. Here's the design I made a couple weeks ago. It's very detailed, and we can see that I used white ink for this project. The media that I used was some black construction paper, and all of that rich detail perfectly transferred over.